lot of the action in a Gothic story tends to take place in old castles with secret rooms and passages. However, caves, mansions, cellars, abandoned warehouses, and dark laboratories can do the trick if they bring an atmosphere of horror and mystery to the story. An exotic location, usually in a country different to where the story begins, is often used. Think of high mountains, dark woods, or wild seas as the ideal place. This suggests that strange things happen in other places. An atmosphere of mystery and suspense is necessary for a Gothic story and is heightened by the fear of the unknown. What indeed is waiting behind the door? Revenge is a big element of Gothic stories, and very often there is a horrible monster out to get even with one or more of the main characters.
No!
Sometimes a character will have a scary dream or some other vision, and then they just know that something bad is going to happen to them. A Gothic horror story would be no fun without supernatural creatures like vampires, monsters, or werewolves appearing in dark places.
No!
Yes, characters will scream. They will also show strong feelings like anger, sadness, terror, and panic. Does the image of a young woman left to face danger alone in the dark sound familiar? Does she scream or faint at the appearance of a terrifying creature? Then you must be reading a Gothic horror story. Young women in Gothic stories sometimes come under the control of a strong man or monster who may force them to do something they don't want to, like marry a person they don't love, or worse.